Take two. Okay. So, oh, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the video. Hey, hey. We're having fun. Okay, come here. Show your picture. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, all my titas and titas. And hi, all my titas and titas. Hey, and Lola. You say hi to Lola, buddy. Good. Pwede ko to. See you later. Bye-bye, Tana. Let's go, Shine. Let's go. Let's go. Tara, let's go. Ay, hindi na. Hindi na, let's go. Bye-bye, Tana. Let's go. Ay, Lisa. Ay, naman ni Clay. Hi, honey. Hi, Claude. In her car. Bye. Yeah.
Okay, yan. Video. Ako to. Ah, Tetet. Ma. Natalia. Mami.
Sila ka na sarili mundo. Wala tayo nila sarili mundo.
Wala lang. Ay, hindi ka na bilang magsili din.
Oo, sabi nila mo yan, di ba?
Nagdila mo.
Okay, wala.
Yeah.
Cellphone ng Casey.
Hi, thank you, Leah. I'm here with Esther. Nandito kami, Leah. Tapos mga 7:30 mga utana. Ha? Sa akin lang tayo. Medyo mo lang sa kagabi ka ng tamo na ako.
Dati yung mga namin ng plate at maanaman lahat.
May walas to. Carmela. La Carmela de Boracay. Yung building to. Good evening. La Carmela ng Boracay. Ayan, Carmela pa yan. Ito. Ito. Ayan. Yung building. Ang building. La Carmela de Boracay.
Okay, so the gang is inside the elevator again. Wait, pasok. Squeeze in. Ante, Liam. Uy, tayo, bebe. Time check, it's 7:10. We're going for dinner. Where are we going? To Station 1. At Two Seasons Restaurant for the 4-cheese pizza. It's very famous for the 4-cheese pizza in the back. It must have 5 for 100 wallet. Free name, ballpen, bracelet, wallet. Rito pala rito. Ito mas natinda rin white kain eh. Island Grill Burrata. Coco Deli. Raffin Community. Yeah, 150 per head. Ha? So, 200? So, okay na yun. Balo ko 35 pesos.
Oras ang mamasado.
Inside the try, we're going to dinner at Four Seasons. Craving for four cheese pizza. Ay, kaway ka naman dyan.
Kaway!
Kaway ka naman. Ngayon pala, napo kasi haggard tamo yung nakatapagod. Nini-relax tayo. Nandang nag-swimming kaming liyak at kaya na kaming ka-relax.
Bibili ako ng Boracay eh.
Ayan, oh.
Ito ng Boracay ito.
Oh, yung D-Mall, yung hindi lang natin pinupuntahan sa ano, yun, oh.
Ang tao rito, no? Tao rin. Hindi tayo balik kami nun. Hindi tayo tuloy. Oh, ano?
Ah. Oh.
Oh, gumano, no? Kanina.
Yan, that's the D-Mall. Mamaya tayo mag-ikot-ikot tayo doon.
Ang usada rito, ganito natin. Oo. One jeep. Oo, na price.
Kalabasin lang din. Bari kaya yung try kaya ba? Ako palo ko yung tangkarin yung kalabasin si Pandesal.
Yan yung toppings at sun.
Eh? Kaya kasi share mo itang, atin ko kasi higit tayo ng Ben na black calamansi Pandesal. Oo, check it out. Hindi ko sure, akala ko na eh. Basta calamansi Pandesal. Hindi nga natandaan ako. Nakala ko, kung saan pa rin. Kahit ang nakal ko kasi ako ng Ben na vlog, yung ano ba, kung saan pa rin. Hindi ko na yung balikan kung ano yung class mo. Baker King, itim na. Red light. Green light. Diba? The story of my life. So yeah. We're here at Two Seasons Resort for our dinner. Hey, Liang, oh, there's a pool. You see that? There's a pool. Nice pool. Aliyan mo. Walk tayo mo. Mga 5 minutes. Wah! Tayo mamiro. Joke lang, tayo naman. Masyado ka naman ano. Nasa hotel na tayo, so it must be here. Inside the hotel. Maybe front beach. Something like that. Look at the hotel. Nice. Okay, so I'm so disappointed. I think this is famous for Hershey's pizza. So we are open on the night. So we just decided to go to the mall and look for a different restaurant. Buy Hershey's pizza. Okay, so after ilang minuto lang, after 5 minutes, we're back to the e-triangle.
Para sa Dimol, ma'am.
Yap, para sa Dimol kami po na.
Maginto, maginto.
Para sa Dimol.
Diba yung para, yung hinto?
Ha? Oh, nice. Ayun o. Nice. Okay, so here we are.
Ganto, yung siya 100.
Ha? Magkano yung may gastos mo?
Sinala, tingnan mo lang ako.
100.
Sino ang kanta?
Kung sinata.
Ali mo, ang tapakan niya.
Bakit ka
Nakita
pa?
ko kasi, nalilin yung kung malipat. Yung ang tayo na yun. Pag makanta niya, may makanta. Bakit malilipatan?
Okay, sunshine. Oh, pwede pa ba?
Madinat kayo sa meto.
Ali, pwede kang baba. Pwede. Ito pa nga po ang bebe. Pagka, meto mo naman, o kakawaya ng kain. Ay, lok-lok ng Cleo. Lok-lok ng Cleo.
Nakalublok na yan eh.
Ay, Cleo.
Shout out.
Shout out.
San? San? Tut.
Hello. Check nyo lang view. Ano yung pareho? Yum, yum, yum. Ay, may exhibition yan. This is what's happening at this time. After dinner. Beef. We had beef, Angus beef. Seafood flat, bamboo sisig, and sinigang. Beef sinigang. We just had dinner. Finished. It's good. Tara. Kining mall.
Sakay mo tayo ng di ba?
Ha? Check, it's 8:40 pa. 8:40. We're here at Hino. I wanted to eat here, but the senior doesn't want to eat there. She didn't like Indian food, so I ended up not eating. So now it's time to eat dessert. We're gonna look for the Coco Mama dessert. Chocolate. Coco Mama. Where is the Coco Mama? Something made up. There's nothing you can't do. Say to make you feel brand new. And listen. Do you? Coco Mama, nasa ka na. Where are you? Maybe on this side? Hey, barbecue. Ay, Police Hotel. Bakit? So mahal. Oh, ganda na ano. So, dito sa corner on the left side. The left side. Annual takin ng Japanese kain eh. Dahil lang tayo nandun eh. Okay, walking tour. Ito ng chicken na island. Bakit ako? Ito pala yung island chicken inasal. Kaso mubisa ako pang mag-break eh guys. Chicken eh. Puro masarap ito. Oh, pala. Ay, yan. Mama. Ay, mango mama. Ube mama. Ito yung coco mama. Okay, let's look for... Okay, ne? Ito? Para lawin tayo mo? Na? Ali.
Nakatuloy rin eh.
Ali, mango. Coco mama. Mango mama yun eh. Ang iyong kamay naging hawak at hindi ka mabasa ba guys? Ay na kayo. Bakit kayo dumating sa buhay ang sarado ko ng puso ikaw ba ang nirahapat sa akin at sabay dapat ko nang himuhin nais kong malaman balo kanya bungad na eh ganing pa kanya malapit niya kanya. I feel like it's on the side. On the left side. Clayong! The guy is here. Huh? Okay, let's decide which one to order. One is. Step 1, choose your size. We're waiting in line for the Coco Mama. There, Coco Mama. The famous dessert in breakfast.
Ay, wait lang po. Ay, kulang pa.